So, guys, am I audible? Please confirm once.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So, as you know, we already continuously we are conducting some events, programs, and some workshops for the Redhat students, and this awareness program is intentionally it is conducted for the new peoples who are not aware of Red Hat Academy and the offerings and the certifications which we offer to the students, right? So this awareness program is mainly we conduct after each 3 months or 2 months to aware the peoples to the students to utilize the benefits which we offer in the Red Academy, right? So guys, you are very lucky that we have Aditya Red Academy in our campus, and in the short while will know all the benefits and the certification courses advantages we offer to the students of Aditya Red Academy, right? So let's start the session. Um, So yes, today in we are having agenda where we'll discuss about open source and Red Hat. Okay, I know most of you know about open source and Red Hat, but for other students who are not who are new to this Red Hat Academy or willing to join, we'll deliver some sort of information about open source and Red Hat, and then we'll know about Red Hat Academy features, benefits, and advantages we will offer to the Red Hat Academy students. Okay, and the next topic will be the course certifications and the career opportunities we which we offer to students. And once they are certified and they called as certified professionals, what are the career jobs opportunities which they will get after certified, right? And then we will see this today's special topic, that is Red Hat Academy learning platform, which is newly introduced to the students of Red Academy. Earlier we don't have this Red Academy learning platform, but now we have this learning platform with each student who are participated who are willing to participate in the Red Academy. Okay, so we'll see soon. And the last topic will be our Red Hat learning community. So we'll know all these things, and we'll know all the importance of these topics, and what these things are for useful for you, and how you can utilize these resources to enhance your career, to build your skills. We'll know in short. Okay, so let's move to next. See, open source. I think you know about open source. The name itself says open, right? So open source is nothing but you can treat it as a recipe which is open to all, right? If you are going to make any food, and if the recipe is in your hand, the recipe I think recipe contains some steps, right, to how to cook the food, the steps regarding that how to cook the food. So if it is open, so any people can come and can cook their food by their own, right? That is called open source. The resources will be open to all, the recipe will be open to all for the any particular work. For suppose if you are building any software and the recipe book is open to all these software developers, so what they can do is they can easily come to any community and they can access the resources, free recipe resources, and they can access the that resource and they can build their own, right? Earlier what we have earlier we were having the closed source, right? The problem with closed source is the person who are developing softwares, they are limited to that software, they are not able to modify the codes, modify the bugs, and they are not able to modify as per their need. But now the open source is what we can say, it is continuously it is growing and people are adopting this technology, right? So what's the reason of this? Only because the open source, because it is open to all, the resources will be available to all the peoples. For let's say we have example called let's say if you are playing in the ground, okay, there are, you can treat it as a community. In the whoever playing in the ground, we can treat as a community, okay. And there are some players are playing very well, but you as a learner, you don't know how to play in that community, okay. You don't know how to play, how to skate in the skating board, or how to do any particular task in that community. But if you are in open source community, what the people will do, what the players can do, they can learn, they can teach you how to do that, how to do that particular work. They will not charge you anything. They will give you free of cost all the resources, right? And as of this result, you can easily learn how to skate, how to play some sports in that community, right? So that is the benefit of open source community. Okay. And coming to our technology, let's say our Linux, right? For most of you, if you are not aware that Linux is open source, right? So that means you can modify everything. And okay, so we can modify our own codes, source codes and kernel, and we can make our own Linux operating system, right? That is a benefit. If you come to Windows, that is closed source, that is proprietary software, right? So we can't modify anything in that. And if any trouble occurs in that, so you can contact to only those person who are responsible for that Microsoft. You can't modify by your own. But in Linux, you can put those errors in the community, in the Linux community, and they can within a minute they can answer your questions, and they can solve your issue, and they can solve your bugs in within a minute. That is the benefit of open source. So people who know about open source, usually they have some myths about open source. They have some confusion about open source, and some, we can say it as some wrong perception about open source. So what is this? People thinks that we don't have any control on that particular resources which we are using as open source. But that is wrong, right? We can access completely the resources which are offered in the open source community. The second myth is open is equal to unsafe. Means people think that yes, this is open, right? So it is unsafe. Maybe it is unsafe, but that is not true. Because in open source community, people from different areas, people from different domains, they contribute to the that application, or any particular product. They contribute to that, and there is a very less chance to find bugs, because many people are engaged in developing that software, right? So that is the purpose, that is the main thing which is makes the open source software as a very safe, even more than closed source applications, right? So that is also wrong. Coming to the this everything is free. People think that open source products are free. No, this is not true. Because the resources will be free, you can use it free, but in case if you faced any issues, and if you faced any problem in using the software, you may contact some support peoples, right? If in case of Red Hat, if you facing any product, any problems in using any product, so then you will contact the Red Hat partners or the Red Hat Academy, I mean Red Hat company, to solve this issue, or to maintain for the purpose of maintenance, or for the purpose of support. You may contact to them, right? So they will charge only for support and maintenance, but not for like the application. The product will be free. You can you can modify, you can redistribute to other people's, you can use it freely. But the support and for the purpose of maintenance, they will charge, right? So not everything is free in open source. So that is about open source. Coming to Red Hat, this is basically a company, right? That American multinational company. Okay, so we'll know this. So I think most of you peoples know about Red Hat company. This is the world's leader in the open source and provide leading enterprise Linux platform. It initially it started from developing Linux operating systems, and now you can see there is a numerous number of platforms, and what we can say, there is a numerous number of technologies they are offering right now. Okay, so this company is recognized and have been awarded with many prizes and many awards. So one of that is they have been recognized as by Forbes as one of the world's most innovative companies in the year of 2016. Okay, and next, in the magazine of multiple Gartner Magic Quadrants, in this magazine they be positioned as a visionary. So this is a title which is given to company who are giving their best in the market. So this is the achievement of Red company, and there is many more, but we'll focus on this only. So see, it was started in 1980s, and now it is, you can see there is a numerous number of they are continually they are evolving their technologies as to just to meet the customer requirements, right? This they first started with the Linux machine, operating systems. Then they come to JBoss, Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization. They came. Then they came to CloudForm. Then they came to storage, OpenShift. Now they are continuously they are bringing some new technologies to meet the requirements of the user of the Red Hat. So this is the main intention of Red Hat company, and that makes the company as a number one in open source leader, because they whatever they provide is open source. That is free of cost. You can use, you can distribute, and the support will be given by the Red Hat company. That is the what the charge, right? So see, these in the background of all the credits goes to these two peoples, these two legends, Mark Ewing and Bob Young. These two peoples are the founder of this company. Okay, and now you can see there is no number of technologies which they deliver as a, I mean, to the company, and they had been delivered as a 1 million plus projects to the enterprise communities. So you can see there is a number of projects which they have delivered, and they have got satisfied results from as a feedback from their companies, from the enterprise communities. You can see this as a 1 million plus project. That is not a common thing, right? Now you can see from the Red Hat company is I mean, they have been widespread in the community, from telecom industries to transportation, from to technical technologies. They have been spread all over the sectors, right? They have been in transportation, in healthcare, also in retail, in financial, in government, everywhere it is used, and they have been contributing a lot to this community. Okay, now coming to Red Hat Academy. Okay, so just we have got some idea about Red Hat company, but what about Red Hat Academy? What it does? What is it delivering products? No. Why? Because Red Hat company is delivering product, and Red Hat Academy is an academy which trains you to make you perfect to deliver product in some MNCs, and to make you as a job ready professional. They in Red Academy, they will make you it simply in nutshell. If you say about Red Academy, it bridges a gap between the industries and the students. For the students who are learning in the campus, and the person who are in the industries, they bridge the gap between those things, right? They train you to make you perfect for the jobs. Okay, so let's see about Red Academy features. So as you can see, we don't charge anything about if you want to join us. There is no charge. The membership is free of cost. You can join anytime. Okay, and next we can you can see we have provided a number of curriculum activities, like in Linux field, in cloud field, in medieval software, many things, right? And of course, the most important, we offer discount on, if you want to get certified, then we offer discounts if you want to be certified. And there is a I guess 50% discount on students, and 70% discount for the instructors who are willing to give certification. So that is a benefit which you will get from only from Red Academy, not others, not from others, right? So next, we provide of course we provide training to the students by certified trainers, but along with this we provide HTML books, ebooks, and even some hard copies also. So to the students who want willing to learn more, right, we provide them. And nowadays we have introduced new platform. We will see in the last slide, we'll see in that. And now we also provide labs, right? We don't only give focus on theories is not that much important as like labs. You need to perform lab, and for that lab we provide specific labs for the Red Hat students. Now you can see for every courses which we offer let's suppose in Openshift or in RHCSA or RHC, we offered numerous number of courses, and those courses will be available in 9 languages. Maybe in France, maybe in Germany, maybe in Japan. If you are from Japan, you can learn from Japanese language, and there is many more. I think Hindi is also included now. Okay, so now see the curriculum and the certifications which we offered from as a part of Red Hat Academy. See, we offer number of we can say a number of certifications and curriculums in the field of system administration, middleware development, and cloud computing, and certificate and few certifications also. So that is the curriculum which we offer. And we can see there is a 3 modules in the core system administration part. In the middleware also we have some courses which we offer in the Red Academy, and cloud computing also we offer. And for certifications, for those people who don't know, we offered this number of certifications, like 4 certifications, which is RHCA, RHCE, RHCAD, RHCEMD. This is the four certification which we offer inside the Red Academy. And this year we have introduced so many certifications in the Red Academy, which will launch in the January, in the month of January. We'll tell you, we'll inform you through any same webinar or some event. Through that we'll inform you. Okay, so let's see. And see, if you join Alter Edit Academy, you will not offer only those benefits which we have discussed. Including that, we have a Red Hat library. Means if you are a member of a Red Hat Academy, then you can access the library, which where we have a number of Red Hat books you can read there if you are interested, right? And then we have dedicated lab. As you can, if you are a student of this college, then of course you have seen the dedicated labs also. And now in campus testing center, nowadays it has been moved to remote exams. That means you can give online also. But for the purpose of purpose of those students who have not that much resources to give exams, for those students we offer in campus testing center. That means if you're willing to give the exam, then you can just contact your trainers, and they can offer you, they can arrange something for you in within the campus, and you can just give the exam within the campus. You don't need to go Hyderabad or any other testing center. You can give in the campus only. Okay. And next, practice portal. As you guys already know, we have a target practice portal. You can where you can practice the questions, and there is many quizzes we provide. And now we have introduced some videos and some PPDs and some PDFs. Many resources we have added to that, and you can access that practice portal also, just to test your knowledge. And now you can, as we have already discussed, as a part of Red Academy, we offer discounts, right? Maybe for students 50%, and for trainers 70%. Okay, so let's know about if you are certified professional. Okay, if you are certified, then what the what the job scopes are there if you are certified. Okay, so the average salary of a Red Hat personnel, if you are certified in any particular technology, and for suppose if you are Red Hat certified system administrator or engineer, then the average salary will be, if you are a qualified for technical support engineer, then the average salary will be around 8 lakhs or 10 lakhs for software engineers, and intern salary is also 22,000. That is important, right? And for associate technical support also, we the companies of generally offering was is 5 lakhs something per year. Okay, so you can check, for suppose if you are a graduated, then you can even check out with this link, which is www.redhat.com/en/jobs. You can search out with your own keywords. Like if you want to get a job in a system administrator post, then you can just search out with that name, right? And then you can if there is an opening, there will be many openings, right? And you can just fill the application form, and you can just submit it to the companies of Redhat. Okay, and you can see the statistics says that there is a 15,000 companies recruiting system administrator itself in India. If you are in India, then there is a very great chance to be get a job if you are a certified system administrator, right? So because in every institute, in every company, in every sectors, they must have a computers and servers and something IT related fields, right? And they need people who will manage all those things. So they required system administrator, maybe one, two, three. It depends on the company size, but every company needs system administrator. That is important. Even in our college, there must be a, I mean, there is a system administrator in our college also, who will manage all the servers and all the IT related tasks in our college, right? So that is the main thing which makes a larger scopes of getting jobs in the field of system administrator. Okay, so in one company, I mean, in Red Hat, there is a 250 plus post for Red Hat certified professional. If you are a certified, then for the certified people there is 250 plus post. Then you can calculate overall how much posts are there in each company, or in 1500 companies. You can calculate it, right? There is a large scope to get job, maybe lower salary, and it ranges from your skills, right? If you are having great skills, then you will have a large salary, and if you're having a small, I mean, less number of skills, then of course there is be large less salary, right? And let's see our top recruiters in our college. We I mean, for the certified professionals, this company will be will going to offer you some packages or some jobs, that is Honeywell, HP, TCS, Amazon, IBM, Cisco, Wipro, Infosys, and there is many more MNCs, right? They will hire you, of course. Okay, so let's this is these peoples will I mean, these trainers will give you training while you are enrolled in any courses, or if you want to get certified. So these are our three trainers, great trainers and certified professionals who are certified in that Red Hat technologies, and they are going to train you, means whatever the training period will be, they are going to train you well. So let's see about Redhat Academy learning platform. So this is a more today's special topic which we are going to talk today. Earlier we were having Gilmore and RH Learn portal, right? So on that platform, we used to order some ebooks and some learning materials, and we access them through RH Learn portal. So this process was a little bit lengthy for the students to order and to get enrolled in some courses, and that is very difficult to those students. But now we have introduced Redhat Academy learning platform, where everything is centralized in one portal, and through that portal, even administrator will have access to add instructors to the platform, and instructor will have a permission to add students in that portal. So these peoples can easily collaborate and can manage all those things within a one platform. So let me show you the earlier platform which we were having. See, earlier we were having this one that is called Gilmore account. So there you need to order this ebooks. You can see there is a middleware development resources, I mean books, and there is a Red Hat Openshift platform. um, let's wait. Let me log in again once again. So once you order from this Gilmore account, then you will be having called RH Learn portal. So once wait. So as you can see, guys, there is a middleware development courses, and there is a inside that we have two courses: Red OpenShift container platform, and this is the Linux platform. I mean, where we offer some ebooks and material resources which you can get once you enroll in that courses. This is the earlier platform which we right now, which I'm showing to you, and cloud computing also. From this you need to, like, you need to order some, if you are a participant, then you can just click on that participant guides. You can see there is a number of languages which we offer now. Hindi has been also included in this in the new learning platform, but now you can just click on English, and you can just order these things. Maybe you, if you want a ebook or HTML or printed manual, so you can see there is a $30 needs to purchase this materials. But now here you can just use the free resources which we offered in only in Glimore, and you can just increase this one, and you can just add to cart, and you can proceed for the order. And once you order that, you will be getting a code. So once you once you log in with this account, you need to give a serial number. Through that serial number, you can access the resources. Some some books will be there, you need to read from that. So that is a benefit of earlier which platform we were having. There were a long process to get enrolled in some courses. But now see, I will show you once. See, now the platform has been changed. Now you can just access the platform by going to Red Academy website, and just to click on access platform, you can access the Red Academy learning portal. Okay, and as you can see, let it open. See, there will be a Red Hat login or email ID which you need to create, and through that email ID you will be getting login credentials. And you once you log in, I guess, if I'm not wrong, I have been already logged in. See, so there will be this one. If you log into this, so you will getting this what do you call, say, this interaction. That is the platform which we have in the Red Academy. Okay, so through this you can just get support, and if you have some queries, you can just access the frequently asked questions also. And even you can access courses and assignments. As you can see, I'm already enrolled in system administration 1.80 courses. And if you want to read this, just you need to be in this same platform, and just you need to click on launch, and you can access the book. Okay, HTML page. See, there earlier we were having only HTML resources, right? But now in this you will be having HTML, text based also, video also, some video course also be included in this platform. This is a new thing, right, in this platform. So including diagrams, there will be somewhere you'll get video courses also, somewhere you'll get a lab, somewhere you need to perform the lab, somewhere you'll get a quiz. You can give the quiz, you can access the some exams will be there, which will be decided through the trainer, which you are which are who are responsible to maintain all those things. And you can see, there is a learning material, and once you complete all this material, there itself you can get the certificate, right? So earlier, the trainer need to analyze all the results of the students, and they need to generate the certificate for the students, right? But now the students easily can they just can complete all the assignments and all the quizzes, and they can complete this course by reading all the materials, and they can easily get the certificate by their own. Now there is a no need of contacting any other third persons. You can just complete assignments, quizzes, and you can just complete a course, and you can get the certificate. So it will be, I guess it will be up from up of this box, up of the transition box. You'll be getting a certificate, get a certificate box. There you can click and download the certificate once you complete all these courses. See, uh, there is a Red Hat learning community which will come soon, but we will discuss in a further minute. And see, uh, as we have discussed, we will going to discuss this learning community in next slide, where you can engage with number of peoples, number of thousand peoples who are certified, who are already settled in some IT jobs, and you can engage with them, and you can just interact with them, and you can just ask them question, how to get get a job, how to get certified, what the particular resources which we can get in that from to prepare for some exams. And even if you based on your interaction, you will even earn badges also. So for suppose if you are taking part in some conversation within the that learning community, then you will earn a badge, that That might be a cadet badge or moderator badge, mission specialist badge, a flight engineer badge, community manager badge. There is a number of badges available in the learning community. Once you start taking participation in that learning community, once you start helping other students who are facing some issue, once you taking part in helping others, you will be getting a badges based on your interaction with the peoples, right? So even if you have a query how to what are the job scopes and what are the available jobs for you, there you can query and you can easily get answers from the certified professionals, industrialists, and many other employees who have already joined Red Learning community. There you can clarify all the doubts, right? And in the next tab, you can just check that student ambassador tracker, right? For as of you that is not done, but it is going to be soon modified and will be available in the next year. In this tab, they will track your performance, right? If you are if you have been chosen as a ambassador, then they will track your activities and they will give you some to access to reach to increase your reach to the students. If you want to conduct an event, for suppose I'm just now I'm conducting an event, so I can just contact all the students through this portal. And once I click here, you can contact all the students, you can make an announcement to all the students within a portal, right? For suppose if you are having any feedback for any modification, you can just click on this which if you are having defect feedback or enhancement or general feedback you want to give, you can just select it and you can just submit it to the Red Academy portal. Okay, and the last one, that is the get support option, which you have some if you have some problem in accessing the courses, you can just watch the tutorial which is there in the get support tab. And there is a number if you want to get some ebooks or printed materials, and you will be having your instructor information and technical support information. And there is in the down, you can get some frequently asked questions for the peoples who are new to this portal, right? So this is all those things about Red Hat new learning platform, which is a centralized system where the administrator can add instructor can add their academy students, right? But for this, you must have a Red Hat ID, which you need to create by your own. Once you have a Red Academy ID, then you will be enrolled in the courses easily by your own. So in few minutes, I will tell you how to get the Red Hat ID. In a few minutes, I will tell you. So don't worry for that. And yes, I forgot to tell you one thing. You can even you can get a lab maybe from Access Infosec Lab or NDG Labs. You can get from this once you are enrolled, and even you can buy the course book. If you want to get a hard copy or ebook from the for the current courses, then you can easily click on these links and you can easily get the books and you can utilize the labs. Okay, so this is all about the Red Hat learning community, which has been offered for the it is newly introduced for the students, and they can easily access this portal, and they can complete the courses by themselves. They don't need to go anywhere to the third person, and they don't no need to ask other students or other peoples to get certificate. You can just complete once the instructor will add assignments here in the assignment tab. You need to complete that, and you need to complete the courses which they offered, and you can just complete the course and you can get the certificate, right? And in the learning path, if you will see, uh, for suppose if you are a beginner and you are doing the beginner course, right? So here you can check the certificate, the learning path. If you for suppose I want to be a certified engineer, so I can just check out the if you are doing any particular course which is inside that learning path, then you can see what are the next step I need to do. For suppose I have completed this one course, I have completed this courses, and I have given the preliminary exam, and then you will be called you will be eligible to get certified as a certified administrator, right? So this is a UI interaction which is given by the new learning platform to the students of Red Academy. So you no need to ask other people's that what the things which you need to do in order to get certified. So there is a everything is centralized in one platform. So you can easily go to that and you can easily check out which courses which you need to do in order to get certified as a system administrator or any other courses which you are enrolled, right? So this is the benefits which you will get in the Red Hat learning platform. So let's move to this. So now the next topic is Red Hat learning community. As I already told you about the learning community, that peoples from different domains and different posts, they already are engaged in that learning community. There you can access all the materials, all the resources free of cost. There is no, they don't charge for that. There you can ask the doubts, ask the questions, and even you can participate in some conversation. For suppose if people are talking about the red exam, and if you are already done that certification, then you can give your views. If you have any views regarding that, even you can suggest something which you need that is important for them, you can just include that, and you can reply them in that conversation. And based on your interaction with those people, you will be awarded with badges. And badges, as I already told you, that there is a cadet badge, monitor badge, mission specialist badge, flight engineer badge, community manager badge. There is many more badges which they offer, that tells the people how much they are interacting with the peoples, right? So you can easily show this to other peoples also. So based on your interaction, based on your conversation with peoples, you will be awarded with the badges, right? So let me tell you how to, how the this community looks like and how to enroll in that. So let me show you once again. See, this is a learning community which is been given by the Red Hat to interact with the person. See, you can see here these people's having some conversation with some people's and regarding exams or remote exams or some trainings or some learning resources. They regularly they start discussions, and they can take part in the discussion, and they can even give their feedback. They can give their views to that particular topic. And you can see this is the badges which you will earn once you start taking part in the conversation. This is the badges which you will get in this one. So you can see that some people are asking about the exam, some people are asking about the some material resources, and some people are asking about the Red remote exams. You can see 300 people have already have taking part in this conversation session. If you are if you have the views, you can easily put in this box, and you can participate in that. So even here you can get the 12 days of learning material, training videos, and many articles are there. You can explore it by your own. And uh, you can see there is a sign in button, right? So if you want to log in this, you need account, Reddit account. So if you click on the sign in button, you will be getting a prompt to give your credentials. If you don't have that, so this is the important point where you need to remember that for everything in Reddit Academy, or if you want to access the learning materials, ebooks, or anything, you need a credential. You need to have a Reddit ID. Okay, so if you don't have the Reddit ID, the important thing is you need to create one Reddit ID. Okay, so you can see there is a information which you need to fill, and you need to fill out the see here. You need to choose your unique Reddit login ID. Based on that this login ID, you will be accessing the all the learning materials, which is either be from learning community or either be from the Red Hat learning platform. Okay, so you need to choose the unique Redhat login, which will differentiate you from other students, right? You can even choose a password for your Red Hat login. You can just, as you are a student, you can choose a personal, and you can give the login information, passwords, first name, last name, job title as a student, email address you can give your own, phone number you can give. Now the contact information, you need to choose India address and postal code, city, state, and just click on create my account. It will create an account and it will send a verification code to your email. You need to verify it and you need to log in into the learning community, or you need to remember keep it in mind. You need to remember three things: which email, I mean which login ID which you have given. You need to remember for all time. Password, of course, password, and your email ID. Which email ID you have used, which Reddit login you have used, and which password you have given. These three things is needed whenever you are going to do any certification, whenever you are going to do any courses inside Reddit Academy, and if you are going to participate in learning community, you need to remember these three things. This is mandatory for all the, I mean, to access the courses and to access the certifications. Okay, so these three things you need to remember. Okay, so let me show you my, as I have logged in already. So once you create and you once log in, the pages will be look like that. See, I have already logged in into this. You can just check out the things, and you can see why there 116 members are online, and there is a 1720 discussions are already going on, and they have given 284 solutions, right? So once they give the solutions, you can just give your feedback, and you can just hit like button if you already, if you are agreeing with that solution. You can just click on like button, and so you can see the training videos are there already. For the keen learners who are very keen to learn new technologies, they can easily access this materials and the training videos, uh, the resources which are offered in this one. You can see the learning tab, there will be some three things, and in exploring some certification resources. um, Wait, see, the news will be given. Some if some updates are given by Red Academy, they will publish their news in the learning community. The course and exam announcement, if there is a announcement, they can announce it easily in this one. And if you are getting any, if you want to get any skills, then you can easily access this one to get the path how to get skilled in that particular technology. For certifications also they're given, for community updates also given, for some discussion on particular topic, you can just take part in the discussion. That is very easy to do that, right? So I think that is all about the learning community. So you must have a learning community account to access anything in Red Academy. So you need to remember that once you create the Red ID, you need to remember the that particular unique ID and email and password for accessing anything inside a Red Academy. Okay, so this is all the benefits of being a part of Red Academy and learning platform and learning community. So as of now, any doubts or anything which you need to ask, guys? If you have any doubts, yes, one more thing I need to inform you, that people who are enrolled, I mean, who are participating in this event, we are going to offer them a free workshop on Openshift on Kubernetes, that is based on DevOps. So we are going to offer them a free workshop on in the month of, in the maybe in the month of January. And as I promised, not only the free workshop, I am trying to give the courses also, and the course completion certificate from the Red Hat also we are trying to give. That will inform you soon once we get into the new. I mean, in the next year we'll. I mean, in the month of January we'll inform you with the some information from Technical Hub. Okay, so I mean, don't get tense. We'll inform you from any sources, and we will let you know what the benefits which you are going to get in the workshop also. So not only workshop, you'll get some other benefits also. Okay, so for that I need to remind you that for that workshop you must have a Red Hat login ID. Okay, um, I mean, there will not teach you. I will not instruct you how to create account and all. you need to create that account, and you need to have a that login ID, password, and email ID. That is compulsory to get enrolled in that workshop and get certificate from the Redhat Academy. Okay, so that is a new information which I need to give you today. So any questions, guys? Any question? Just you can just post in the message box, or you can just speak out. There's no problem. I'm here to help you, and there are a few person from my team. They will also help you to know the things. In the workshop, see, in the workshop, we will teach you the OpenShift technology. The Red Hat technology they are offering OpenShift, right? Which is new to the, new to the Red Hat Academy. So we are launching for the first time in the month of January. That is free of cost. But once if you lose the chance to participate in the workshop, we are going to charge something 4,000 for the next courses, right? So better to complete this training in the workshop in the month of January. That will be free of cost. And in that workshop, we will train you from the basics, from the scratch part. We'll start the training, and we'll let you know what the OpenShift is, and we will give you hands-on training, and some really cool things we'll introduce on that workshop to solve your day-to-day life, right? Even to your curriculum also, we will tell you how to do some such stuffs in a very less time using OpenShift. OpenShift containers and Kubernetes. So we'll tell you on that workshop. And along with that, as I already told you, we'll offer some Red Hat courses. That is not free of cost, but for especially for you guys, we will try to give you free of cost. In the month of January, we'll inform you how to get login. As I already told you, right? You can just go to. Let me see. Here you can just create this one. Let me post it in your chat box. See, I have already given the link to create the login ID. You must have a unique ID. So sometimes people can get confused that whatever the ID they have given here, that is not accepted from the Red Hat company. Okay, so you must have a Red Hat login ID which should be unique. Okay, and that should be at least 5 characters. Okay, once you create, you can't change it. So you need to choose it wisely. Any more queries? If you have any more queries, you can just unmute yourself and you can speak out, and even you can put in a chat box. We'll help you. There is a more 5 minutes. We will close this meeting, and people who have some doubts, please. Other than workshop, the courses will be offered on that only. If you are doing workshop for OpenShift, then we will offer you some e-learning material and some video courses, which is not free, but for you, it will be free, and that is also based on that workshop only. For whatever we will train you, you need to practice on that practice portal. In that learning platform, and there you need to do the assignments, and you need to complete the courses and quizzes also. And once you complete that, you will be getting certificate from Red Hat Learning certification, and along with that, you will get a free workshop also. Uh, so in the workshop, basically we will train you on the particular technology. Along with that, we'll offer the same course based on the workshop. Any more queries? Yeah, of course. As I told you, any people can join it. Any people from any course, any branch, they can easily join. And they, because that is, we are going to start from sketching part, right? So you must, you can easily grab the knowledge which will be sharing in that workshop. You can easily do that. That is no, that is not mandatory for any particular branch. That is all open for all. About workshop, we will inform you in the month of January, because this month is already filled up with some busy schedules for other trainings and other things. So we will inform you once we get into the next year. I mean the month of January. Oh, and one more thing. Are you in the group of community group in the WhatsApp? If you all guys are in the community group, then no problem. If you are not, then please inform us. Will you add in that group? Okay. So if you need that group link, then I can share. If no, you can say as if you are already inside that group, because in that group we keep on sending the materials and some resources and other things also. Okay. Abhilash, bro, are you there?
Yeah, I'll share it.
Yeah,
Give
you
me a
share it.
moment, I'll share it.
Okay. Yeah, we are going to send a group link to you all guys. You can just get added in that group, and we will be informing you in that group only. Yeah, we'll inform you. And one more thing, our Red Hat Academy is also going to uh, form a new batch for the Red Hat, RHCSA course, right? So for the peoples who are not new, I mean, who know the Red Hat Academy and willing to join it, they just I will share some information in the group itself. There you can just carry out and you can just enroll in that course also. So we'll inform you for that in the group. So no worry for that. So please open the registration link in your desktop, in your, I mean, in your PC. If you're not, if it is not opening in the phone. Okay, I will share it again. Wait. Okay, someone has sent a group chat group link. So please join that group. Everyone, please join that WhatsApp group. That is a community group where we used to share all the event information, all the course information in that group only. So please join it. Meanwhile, I'll paste the that login link. Please just check out this login link where you need to create your own account. Is everyone able to? Everyone able to open that link? No. Okay, no problem. Just join to the group. I will guide you in that group. Okay, just join the group. Once you join the group, please say yes, and we will sign off for this event, for this program. Okay, no problem. Just join to the group. Are you able to join the group with the WhatsApp group? If yes, then just say yes. Okay. Okay, just join that group. Okay, I will guide you in that group. Okay, guys. With this, I would like to sign off for this event. And if any help you need, you can just contact me in the WhatsApp group itself. I mean, I'm in the group, and you can just contact me personally if you need. Okay. So, if you are added in that group, if you are joined that group, you can just leave from this meeting. And thank you for joining this event. Uh, we will meet soon in the workshop also. So till then, bye guys. Thank you everyone for joining this event. Thank you all.